Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So thanks to continue our classes, our second introduction class here, set representations. What are the two representations of sets? So what are the methods we will use for the representation of sets? First one is roster or tabular form. We can say roster form or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. So second one is set builder form. Usually everybody will use roster form. So roster form is a well-known representation of sets or tabular form. So don't forget, one more name is also there for a roster, that is tabular form. So first we will see the roster form, next we will see the set builder form. After that we will take some roster forms, that roster forms will convert it into set builder form. So this is the one. So you choose and best introduction classes. Try to share with your friends and family members and Facebook network pages also. So here first I took what is a roster form. How we will start roster form. So let's consider, let's take it, this is a set. Suppose set already I explained in the first introduction class how to take. Set is taken with the capital letters equal to, it is open with braces. Open. So we are all write elements, objects or members, we will write enclosed with the braces, and each and every object is divided or differentiated by commas. So for every unique object we will divide with the commas, and we will not write duplicate elements. So what is meant by duplicate element? If you want to write 2 again here, let's take 2, you should not write, and 1 also. What are the elements which are presented already, that you should not repeat in the same set, in the taken set only. So duplicates all will be eliminated. So in this, let's take vowels A, E, I, O, U. So A is started with braces, open brace, curly brace, A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U, and it is closed with the brace. And one more set I took here. Let's take, this is Y. So open 1 comma 3 comma 5, and it is dots are represented, dots are represented with, it is continuously moving, it is indefinitely moving. So that is a 1. And order in which the elements are listed is immaterial. So what is that? Order in which elements are listed is immaterial, means order is not important. So order is not a important matter here. So you can write this set as 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1 also. You can write 2 comma 1 comma 3 comma 4 also. Any manner you can write. Any element will be presented at any place. It is not only like you should write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 only. You can write in any manner. So for this I took A, E, I, O, U. This one you can write it as A comma I comma U comma O comma E. This is also equal to set V only. These two sets are equal. So order means where that object is presented. Order means it is showing that place. So order means place of an object. So that is a 1. A comma I comma U comma O comma E. You can write in any manner. And one more thing, school here, what are the things? Letter presented in the set will be SCHOOL. As already told, S comma C comma H comma O comma L. Why I am not written O again? The duplicate element, it is repeated again. So for that you should not write. Or you can write L comma O comma H comma S. All will be same sets and elements are not repeated. That is the case. Elements are, you should not repeat elements. Don't forget that. And you can write any letter, any number, any object or an element or an member. You can write anywhere in the same set. That is the roster form. You can write the roster form like this. Then what is a set builder form? So here set builder form, let's take second representation. It is, everybody will think like somewhat difficulty, but it is very easy, I will say. So just follow that trick, then you can easily write. So vowels I took V, A, E, I, O, U. For this I will write it as a set builder form. Set builder form is a group of formulas, conditions and sentences. It is also it is also taken, open the braces, it is enclosed with the braces also. X colon X is a vowel in English alphabet. So how to read this? This is the set builder form for this. How to read? So for the braces one, this set of all. So you have to read the set of all x. So braces means first braces is the set of all x is x as it is. Colon means such that. Colon means such that, and is also x is a vowel in English alphabet. So such that, colon means such that. First open braces is nothing but the set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. Then a. So here a is there. I open. The set of all x such that x is a natural number. So but x is, so you can write comma also. X is, that is a roster form we will write here. So natural number, it is greater than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the set for this. The set of all x such that x is a natural number 3 less than x less than 10. So a is equals to 4, 5. The elements will come under roster form. So it is more than 3 and less than 10. So natural numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is the one. Next one, b. So b is equals to the set of all x. So don't forget one condition. You couldn't only write x. You can write any letter in the alphabet. So the set of all x, y, such that y is a consonant in English alphabet. Y is a consonant in alphabet. So let's write b, English alphabet, a, e. So b, c, d up to z. So here we will get consonants only. The set of all y such that y is a consonant in English alphabet. We will get it. I will write all the consonants here. Then c. The set of all z such that z is an even natural number. Even natural number, for that 2, 4, 6 and so on. So it is indefinitely moving. Why I am putting dots here? It is continuously moving. So here dots are there and z. So dots means up to z. Z is a last letter. So here we don't know what is the last number. For that we are leave like that. But here we know z is the last letter. Then here d set roster form. These are all, sorry, here these are all set builder form. I am written in a roster form. So here the set of all t such that t is an integer, t square minus 9 will be equal to 0. So for this, t square means t square and 3 square will be equal to 0. You can write in the format of this. So what is the roster form for this? So t square, 9 square is 3 square. So a square minus b square, since a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So here t plus 3 into t minus 3, that will be equal to 0. T is equals to t plus 3 will be equal to 0 and t minus 3 will be equal to 0. Then what you can write, t is equals to minus 3 and t is equals to plus 3. So what is the roster form for this? So d will be equal to minus 3 comma plus 3. So that is the roster form for this. So you have to write like way. And one more condition I will explain here. So what are the things which we need to require? So first one, so let's take it. Set a will be equal to, what is this? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 up to this. This is a roster form. Now we can take it this one as a set builder form. So a is equals to the set of all x such that x is the square of, let's write it, square of a natural number. Square of natural number. So this is the one. Next one, b. So let's take it roster form for this. So 1 by 2, open, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6 and 6 by 7. So you can take like this. Then what is the set builder form for this? B is equals to, so b equal to the set of all x such that x is equals to, here natural numbers, started with natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for that let's take it, x is equals to n by, let's take natural numbers. Here we are added 1, 2 to the before 1. So n plus 1 such that where you can take comma also, where n is a natural number. And what is the up to 7? It's finished. Up to 6. Here n is finished with the, started with 1. So 1, less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6. So this is the 1. So why? Because n started with 1. So below 1, 1 plus 1, 2. If you take 2 here, next number is 2. Then below 1, 2 plus 1. So this is the 1. So how we written this one here is, let's take n is equals to 1. X will be equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. It is 1 by 2. Then n is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 by 2 plus 1. That is 2 by 3. So you can up to 6. So n is equals to 6. If you do here is x is equals to 6 by 6 plus 1. That is 6 by 7. So up to 6 equal to. So we are written like this. This is the formula we are taking here. So this is the way of writing the things. And what you can write here, one more thing. See, let's take it here. PRINCAL. So you can take, this is the roster form. Then what is this set builder form? The set of all x, y such that y is a letter. Y is a letter of the word. What is that? Principal. So principal. So here I is repeated 2 times, but I took only 1 time. So in roster form, the inside the element, duplicate element should not repeat. This is the way of explanation. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.